Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of configuring a proxy in the Vivaldi Browser. Let's get started. Open the Vivaldi Browser on your computer. Click on the Settings button located in the bottom left corner. In the Settings window, go to the Network tab. Under the Network tab, select the Proxy Settings option. You will be redirected to the Windows Proxy Settings. Check the box next to Use a Proxy Server. Enter the IP and port of your proxy in the designated fields. After entering the details, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom. The setup process is now complete. From now on, all your internet traffic in the Vivaldi browser will be routed through the proxy. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on the network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on the network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.